Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the tools that let you type numbers without a physical numpad. Press FN plus the key labeled numlock or embedded numpad to activate numeric mode. This maps letters to digits. Once done, observe the numlock indicator so you know it's active. If your laptop lacks FN mapping, open the on-screen keyboard from accessibility settings as an immediate alternative, and make sure an external USB keyboard is available for prolonged numeric entry. Now you map and practice the actual keystrokes so typing numbers becomes fluid. Use the embedded layout: top cluster for 7, 9, home row for 4, 6, bottom for 1, 3, and 0 as shown on screen. Press Shift for symbols where supported. Once you rely on it, configure the OS Accessibility Numpad or install a lightweight remapping utility to make the layout persistent across reboots. If you need special characters, learn a few alt codes or copy them from the character map. Finish by validating the setup across programs so you don't hit surprises while working. Type numbers in a text editor, then try a spreadsheet to confirm numeric input and navigation. If digits stop appearing, toggle FN plus numlock, restart the keyboard driver, or re-enable your remapping utility. These steps usually restore behavior. Make sure you have the on-screen keyboard or an external numeric pad ready as a reliable fallback when driver conflicts or firmware updates interfere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.